Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money to the Philippines with GCash via Wise. Alright, this process is going to be pretty straightforward. We're going to click here where it says send money in our Wise account. And here, what we're going to do is set all the parameters. The amount we're going to send, how much the person will receive, and even the country. So once that's set, we click continue. Obviously, you have to choose the Philippines. And well, we choose the payment method. We also select who we're going to send the money to, whether it's for ourselves or another person. And here we're going to enter the recipient's details. So we're going to choose the e-wallet option here, this e-wallet option. And we're going to enter the full name of the person or the owner of the GCash account. Thank you. So here we enter the GCash account number, and what we do next is proceed to send the money, okay, by clicking this button. And well, that's it. It's actually quite simple. I hope this works for you. Here you might be asked how you want to pay and about the different payment methods available to send the money. You just choose one and that's it. It's very simple. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.